Most people panic when their cash transfer fails, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming the app is completely broken. In most cases, the issue is small, and it can be fixed in minutes once you understand what is actually going on. In this video, we are breaking down how to fix transfer issues on Cleo in 2026, using simple and practical steps that work for most users. Let's start with the most common reason. Your bank connection is not stable. Cleo depends on a linked bank account to process transfers. If your bank session expires or disconnects, transfers can fail instantly. This is why the first step is always to reconnect your bank inside the app. Now here's what most people miss. Even if your bank looks connected, background authentication can fail. So you need to fully disconnect your bank, close the app, and reconnect it fresh. This resets the secure link, and often fixes the issue immediately. Next, check your account eligibility. Cleo transfers are not guaranteed every time. The system checks your income, balance, and activity before approving a transfer. If your account looks unstable, the transfer may be temporarily blocked. This is where most users get confused. They think the app is broken when in reality, the system is just restricting access based on risk signals. Things like low balance, overdrafts, or inconsistent deposits can trigger this. Now let's move to another common issue. App version problems. If you are using an outdated version of Cleo, transfer functions may not work correctly. Always update the app to the latest version from your app store. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Device-level issues can also interfere. If your phone has poor network switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, the transfer request can fail mid-process. Try switching networks or restarting your phone to stabilize the connection. Let's talk about bank-side restrictions. Some banks block third-party instant transfers temporarily for security reasons. So even if Cleo approves the transfer, your bank may delay or reject it. This is why checking your bank notifications is important. Now here's a quick fix sequence that works for most users. First, close the app completely. Then restart your phone. Next, switch internet connection. After that, reopen Cleo and reconnect your bank. Finally, retrieve the transfer. In many cases, this simple reset resolves the issue without any support needed. But here's the deeper problem most users overlook. If your account has repeated failed transfers, the system may temporarily reduce your transfer access. So constant retrieves without fixing the root cause will not help. Let's summarize clearly. Cleo transfer issues usually come from bank connection errors, outdated apps, unstable internet, or eligibility restrictions based on account activity. It is rarely a permanent issue. If you follow the steps in this video, most transfer problems can be fixed quickly and safely. If this helped you fix your Cleo transfer issue in 2026, make sure to like the video, comment what error you saw, and subscribe for more simple app fixes.